Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to hop on really quickly because I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday and I came across these cutting mats from the brand The Paper Studio. I have never seen this cutting mat before. I don't know if it's new or if it's just new in my area, but I just wanted to let you guys know the quality of it and see if you would like to use it on your Cricut. I know for a fact they don't have a cutting machine, so I'm pretty sure this is what it's for, either the Cricut or, you know, the Silhouette. I don't know much about the Silhouette at all, so I know that this looks very, very similar to the Cricut cutting mat. So I just wanted to give you guys like a look into how it actually is with cutting on this particular mat. Everything looks the same on it as far as what I'm concerned, like the boxes and everything. Let's see. There is some discoloration. I'm not sure what that's about. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. I don't know what that is. It smells exactly like how a Cricut mat smells. It has a very distinct smell. You can just see for yourself. This is pretty sticky. I don't know how long it will last, but if you don't feel like spending Cricut mat prices, this is a good alternative, I think, as far as price range, because this was actually 50% off. It was $14.99, and yeah, yesterday it was 50% off, so I paid like $7.50 or $8 after taxes. Yeah, so let's go ahead and cut something on this mat. I'll just be doing a paper cutting. I'm not going to be going into vinyl or anything like that, but we'll see how this cuts and how well it holds the paper when it's cutting and everything like that, and if, you know, the machine reacts in some type of way. Let me see the size. No, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. This is a 12 by 12. I didn't see that they had a 12 by 24 mat. That's not what I needed. I actually went to get a Cricut mat, then I saw this. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try this. Because also on Amazon, I don't know if you guys know, they also have off-brand Cricut mats as well, and, you know, blades and everything of that nature. Usually I like sticking to how things are supposed to be intended to be used, so usually I don't do off-brand stuff just because I like sticking to the brand. However, if you're running a business and something works that is off-brand, you know, maybe it'll help you financially, you know, to cut some corners. One thing I do know is that if you do use off-brand on your Cricut machine, I'm not sure if it's for mat, you know, off-brand mats, but I know for a fact if you use like off-brand blades and anything else on the machine itself, it null and voids your warranty on the Cricut. So, you know, you have to think about that. My Cricut warranty has already surpassed its time limit. I think I've had this Cricut for about 3 years, so it's surpassed its time. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get to cutting. I'm just showing you guys how it comes up off the mat. See how well it does. It's pretty The adhesive is really good on this. I probably should have made it less sticky with putting my hands over it. I don't know if that's a technique that y'all use, but that's something I do with a brand new Cricut mat. Sometimes it's far too sticky and it'll rip your project simply because it's so sticky, which is not a complaint, it's just a fact. But I probably should have done the same before I used this mat. I will say that it is taking the color of this paper. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just wondering if, since it's so sticky like this, will it last very long? I don't know. See, cut it out perfectly. So like I was saying, I love the mat. Let's see in a couple weeks how I feel. I'll give you like an update on my Instagram, on my stories possibly, as to, you know, how it looks in a couple weeks with me using it consistently and how well the adhesive is holding up. So if you want to follow me on The Bree Creates on Instagram, you can go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.